Good evening guys. Here I am going to explain a beautiful problem from series. The question is on the screen, that is g equals to sigma n equals to 1 to infinity n power 4 by 5 power n. Okay, so let us see the solution here. This is same as sigma n equals to 0 to infinity n plus 1 whole power 4 by 5 power n plus 1. Okay, on simplifying you are going to get this equation. So on simplifying n plus 1 whole power 4 you will get this equation. On simplifying this you are going to get this equation. Okay, I think you can understand how I am writing this equation by expansion. So from this I am going to take this one is the question itself, that is g, phi g equals to g plus this one I am taking as some capital B, so that is 4b. This one I am taking as some capital C, that is 6c. This one I am taking as some capital D, so it is 4d, plus I am taking this value as some capital E, therefore it is E. So on simplifying you are going to get 4g equals to 4b plus 6c plus 4d plus E you will get. So let me take this one as equation 1. Okay, so now I am going to find out the value of this E. So what is E here now? E equals to sigma n equals to 0 to infinity 1 by 5 power n. So this is an infinite geometric progression with first term 1 and common ratio 1 by 5. So you are going to get 5 by 4. So what you are getting here, from this you are getting the value of E as 5 by 4. So let it be here. Now let me find out this D value. So what is D here? D equals to sigma n equals to 0 to infinity n by 5 power n. This is same as sigma n equals to 0 to infinity n plus 1 by 5 power n plus 1. On simplification you can write like this. Okay, here 5 power n plus 1 can be written as 5 into 5 power n. On simplification you are going to get this equation. Okay, now this is 5d equals to, this is d, so this is d itself. You can observe from the previous steps, this value it is E, that value we have as 5 by 4. Here this value we have here E, that is 5 by 4. So on simplifying you are going to get the value of D as 5 by 16. 5 by 16 you will get, that is D value. Okay, so let me take E. Where is sorry, not E, it is the C. I am going to take C. What is the C? C is equals to sigma n equals to 0 to infinity n square by 5 power n, that is sigma n equals to 0 to infinity n plus 1 whole square by 5 power n plus 1. Okay, so this is what you are getting. On simplification you will get this. So this is the equation you will get. On simplifying this, simplification nothing but apply sigma for all the terms, then you will get this equation. This equation you will get on simplification. Now 5c equals to, this is already c, c plus 2 into, this is d, that is 2 into 5 by 16, this is E, that is 5 by 4. on simplification you are going to get the value of C as 15 by 32. 15 by 32 is C value. Okay, now C value we got. Let us find out B. Here is B, that B value I am going to find out. Now B equals to, so let me take some other color. Okay, I will take red. So B equals to sigma n equals to 0 to infinity n cube by 5 power n, that is sigma n equals to 0 to infinity n plus 1 whole cube by 5 power n plus 1. Okay, on simplification you are going to get this one. Okay, this one you will get for B. Okay, so after simplifying this equation you are going to get this one as a simplified form after applying sigma for all the terms in the numerator and denominator. So for this let us do simplification. 5B equals to, this is already B, plus 3 into, this is C. Here C value we got 15 by 32 and 3 into, this is D value already you got 5 by 16 and this is what E nothing but what is that 5 by 4. From this you can generate the value of capital B. Capital B value you will get as 115 by 128. Okay, so this is what B value we got. Okay, now you have the values of B, C, D, E, and let us take the first equation again. Where is the first equation? Here is the first equation. Let me take that first equation again. I am writing the first equation, that is from 1 you can write 4G equals to 4B plus 6C plus 4D plus E. Now let us substitute all the values whatever we have. Here 4 into B value is 115 by 128 and 6 into C value it is 15 by 32 plus 4 into D value is 5 by 16 plus E value is 5 by 4. Simplify this, you will get the value of G 285 by 125. What is G here? G is our question. G is our question. Therefore, the value of question equals to, this is our question, this value is equals to 128, sorry, it is not 128, it is 285 by 128. So this is the final answer for the given series, infinite series. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.